Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute alarm clock.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw a circle. And then a little bigger around it. Now I draw 2 bells on the top. Now let's draw the numbers. 12, 3, 6, 9. Excellent! Now let's draw a cute face for our clock. I draw 2 cute eyes. Then I draw a smiling mouth. Then I draw 2 hands, as well as a nose. Finally, I draw 2 arms and 2 legs for our clock. Amazing!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange. Yellow. Then light green. Light blue, purple, and pink. Amazing!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.